Yeah, the rest is in the body language. Alright, so boom, right? Yeah, I know what today is. Today is Sunday. Boom, get straight into it. Y'all see the biggest name. No other name but in the video. That's the only name we need to know about. Not for real though. In the video, who else we have? Weeble, Copart. These names I know. Lowe's. Everybody gonna need Lowe's and Home Depot. We do have Home Depot. This Chinese stock. Baidu, Target. We have Target, Wick, TJ Maxx, Jack in the Box, BJ's. This, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I have seen that somewhere before. I'm trying to, who else do we have? Whoa, what else? So no real names reported until really Tuesday for real. That's how it go. Oh, Klarna. Klarna is the new layaway, and Ross. So boom. We do have a few names reporting this week, but the biggest name, the name that's screaming, is nvda. News for this week. After market close, nvda does have earnings, and on Wednesday, since the government is back up, we have FOMC needing minutes. Interesting, very interesting. We do have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. This thing home sales. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. So we see the biggest name, the biggest news is FOMC. They said they meet 8 times a year. I'm pretty sure I didn't see these fools more than 8 times a year. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Boom. I do this yellow line. This yellow MA is the 8 SMA. So keep that in mind. But anyway, let's talk about what SPY is doing. Let's talk about what market is doing. Boom, market is above the 8 MA. We do see red though. We see red. It's in between. We wicked up. We did wake up. I forgot what day that was. We wicked up, wicked down, and just about we're in range, if that makes sense. Big day trade market right now. But what I see, and I was going over this with Cunningham as well, double bottom possibly happening. It does look like an H in a way, but this could be a W pattern, which is a double bottom. And yeah, that's what I see. Let me go to the line chart. Go to the line chart, the 4 hour. You see it a little better. Boom, boom. And I am bull on SPY. Long support. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump the gun. Some of this stuff do get a little tricky, but just know I will be paying attention to a lot of stocks come this week. But what am I thinking on SPY? 677 reclaim, pushing to 684. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Let me go to the daily. So boom, right here, boom, this level 677, push to 684. That's what I'm thinking. When NVIDIA's earnings and they're projected to do something stupid, NVIDIA might go to 250. Who knows, right? I mean, it's very possible. I seen Meta go up like $80. What, two quarters ago? So yeah. That's what I'm thinking on SPY. What did I say? Boom. Yeah, we're above the 8 on the weekly. We are. It's kind of like the same thing from last week if we're gonna be real. So I'm bull SPY. I'm bull SPY in QQQ. I am. Under the 8 on the daily, under the 21 on the daily, but we're above the 50. So interesting on SPY. Interesting. On to the next. QQQ. Boom. Go to the weekly. Boom. Weekly again above the 8 MA. off the weekly. We went down. We went down like this. We went down to 597. Hold on. Oh, okay. So that was Friday. Makes sense. Makes absolutely a lot of sense. Okay, boom. Okay, a lot of levels. Please, please. I'm so sorry. Let me go ahead and just mark. Boom. A lot of levels. The level I do. I ain't gonna do that. I'm sorry. Boom. Y'all just gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, I'ma zoom in. Boom. The level I'm looking to reclaim. 618. 618 pushing to 626. Cause it will make it would do this. Boom, boom, boom. You know, that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Straight like that. It's the same with SPA. You can, go to the SPA and do the same thing. But double bottom. You can go to the 4 hour. You can see it better, a lot better. And this is better than. You can see it better than SPA, if that makes sense. Boom, double bottom, boom, boom. Straight like that. And that's the hourly. It really meant to go to the 4 hour, but we see it. So come Thursday, we will definitely see how market reacts to NVIDIA earnings. I hope NVIDIA goes crazy. I just hope NVIDIA goes crazy. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's it. That's all. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Boom. Next stock. This is the stock I'm long on, like 10 years long on. SoFi is at $27. I'm long SoFi shares and leaps, straight like that. Same just how we looked at SPY and QQQ. Same thing on SoFi. Also, I was long SoFi beginning. What was that, like Tuesday or Wednesday? Wait, hold on. This is the candle right here. This was Wednesday. So boom, I got filled on Tuesday towards the end of the session, and then I sold like 35+% on Wednesday, but I could have made 100+%. Let me just say that I could have made 100+%, but keep swinging the bat. That's what I'm telling myself. Keep swinging the bat, because that's what I'm doing, and yeah, 1% on to the next trade. Thank you, God. All that. But anyway, we are daily. Let me know. I'm sorry. Boom. Weekly. Above the 8 MA. Above the 8 MA. We a lot of rejections up here. But every time it goes up there, it does get weaker. So keep that in mind. Boom. Daily. Double bottom. You can see it out. You see it better out the 4 hour. Boom. And I'm thinking on SoFi. 28 breaking retest, 30 target. Straight like that. We can possibly get this on Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever. We just have to see. And yeah. That's how I'm thinking. That's how I'm feeling on SoFi. What am I missing now? I don't believe I'm missing anything out. Daily. Oh yeah, I still believe this can go up. It is under the 50 off the daily, but if you go to the weekly, it's above the 8. So yeah. So I'm not too worried about it going down. And if it do, hey, buy some more. Straight like that. On to the next shop. Boom. Shopify. Boom. Shopify is interesting. If you go to the weekly, I haven't put up the RSI at all. I ain't even gonna go back. But anyway, weekly. Boom. This candlestick pattern. This is you can consider this evening star spinning top. I more so consider it a spinning top, because it's not a real doji, and it's more so of it's not a real big range. But I'm gonna consider this a spinning top with these 3 count. 1, 2, 3, boom, spinning top. And look what it did this week. Boom, went down a few dollars. It came 160. It went up to 160. It dropped down. Oh my goodness, that's like $20. No, that's $20. Wow, that's wild. That's wild. And then this is in a week. That's crazy. It went down $20 in a week. And this is just a week, so don't get so hyped. But anyway, what I'm thinking, it's two ways I can think about this. I can either be long playing these levels, or I can be short playing these levels. So what I'm thinking on short, under 142, we could possibly go up to 150 reject, or we could drop below 142 and just go 135. But if price does decide to go back up, I am thinking 150. 150 break and retest, 150 break and hold. And yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Straight like that. No more rap. On to the next. What do we have? Toe. Bro, I be taking my time when it come down to this. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Swings right now, I ain't gonna say they tricky, but definitely taking my time. But anyway, what do we have off the weekly? Toe. We're slightly under the 21. We're under it. The L is the L, the W is the W. We're under the 21. And we're under the 8. We're not under the 50 off the weekly. So that's cool. Let me go back to the daily. I just need to do like 1D, boom. But boom. What I'm thinking is go long towards 128. Go long towards 128 and take profit. This is a what do you call this? Let me see. So yes, okay, boom. This is more like a real risk reward play, So we just have to be patient on toe. And also, this may not be the only stock I trade this week. I gotta start recording Saturday, like every Saturday too as well. But anyway, to go over like what I did during the week. But anyway, 128. We see it came towards 128. It went to 126. So I'll be watching this level. I'll be watching this range. Matter of fact, 126, 128. And yeah. Also, let me go ahead and just put a bug in y'all ear right fast. I already talked about this stock a minute ago, and it is above 72. I gotta go back. Let me see. I talked about this stock a minute ago, but anyway, just keep this stock in the back of your brain, the back of your mind. Look at the RSI. It bounced off to 30 twice in the same year. Well, it 30. It bounced off to 30 twice. So boom, it bounced off 30 in April, then again in May, and now if you draw a trend line, you can see that it's going up. And this is off the weekly. So I am long healthcare. Healthcare is like I see they're trying to, I guess they've been talking about this for a minute, but rotating sectors or whatnot. I'm only a year and some change into this, so don't, but if I'm looking at it right now, half year performance, we do have technology. Healthcare is the fourth one. Let me just say that it's up $15+. The whole healthcare sector, I believe that's what it's tracking. But yeah, I am long healthcare, and this is one of the stocks that I do like. I know they do something with glasses. They make glasses or something. So yeah, I just had to put that bonus one in there. Here you go. You can read this if you want. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, contact. You see, boom, contact laser. Boom. I'll be honest. I know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I will be trading tomorrow. I'm also, fuck it, this video ain't even that long. I'm long CMG. Nice. I am long CMG. I do have one runner contract left. I think I'm up like 30 something percent. I do plan on selling soon. If we can get a pop above like 30, what is this? 32-ish. We get it somewhere between like 30, like 32.20, somewhere around there. I think about selling. Also, who else am I long? I have a few contracts, but that's the one I'm gonna give y'all. I'll talk about it towards the end of the week. And yeah, straight like that. On to the next trade. See y'all next Sunday. No, see you Saturday. Straight like that. Glee.